So let's go into editing the program here. We have a couple of things that we can edit. One, we can edit the main program. We can edit the program defaults. And this just gives us into the weld process, the arc start, and the weave. And this is what allows us to edit all the subsequent points that we wanted to enter. So if you recall with the weaving, when we entered the program, then we selected the weave. When we entered the point, we selected the weave. We can set weave as a default for the entire program. And we can do that with editing the default program settings. So even if we want to come in and change which weld process to use, we can just come up into the defaults. And we can save parameters, load parameters, and this is a global change to the entire program. Cut, copy, and paste works just like any other application where you think about it. If I want to cut something, let's say I want to take these 4 lines, I can multi-select, which allows me to select multiple lines, and then cut them from the program. And once I cut them from the program, it places it on the clipboard, and I can paste them below. And again, anytime we paste, we get a shift paste screen as an option. So we're not going to shift, we're just going to paste. And here are the new lines. So we move that line from here down to here. Copy, you can copy one line, and you can see one line copied, or we can go multi-select, and we can copy multiple lines where we have 5 lines copied. And then to paste, we're going to deselect, and wherever you place the cursor, it will then insert what's on the clipboard below the cursor. And then, of course, there's deletes. So if we wanted to, we can come in, multi-select, delete. It's going to ask for confirmation. Hit confirm, and we delete the program. Also, on the side, you can edit individual lines. So if I highlight the line, I can come in and edit parameters, and this will edit the individual line. Whereas up here, edit the program defaults, this is a global setting for the entire program. When editing here, you're editing the individual line. And again, we can come in, if we want touch sensing, we can weave, arc start and arc end, and the actual weld process. And even if I wanted to, I can come here and toggle between linear and circle. And that is how you edit a program.